Namaste students, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Hope all of you will like it. So before starting today's concept, let us observe something. So if you look around in your nature, you can see many things having certain pattern. So for example, if I give you a flower, suppose it's a sunflower. The petals of the sunflower, it has a certain pattern. Second example, if I give you, suppose it is a beehive. So that beehive also possesses certain pattern. Now, one more example, if I give you, suppose leather, it has also a certain pattern. So these certain patterns, if I represent it in a mathematical way, it will be called as mathematical pattern. So real life situations such as like that, suppose a boy, Ravi, a boy, he deposited ₹10 every day in his piggy bank. So first day, suppose. So first day what he will do? First day he has deposited ₹10. Second day, ₹10 plus 10 will give you ₹20. Third day, ₹20 plus ₹10, which will be ₹30. Fourth day, ₹30 plus ₹10 equal to ₹40. That means fourth day, till the fourth day, he has 40 rupees with him. So now this 10, 20, 30, 40, these numbers are in fixed pattern. Why so? Because you can see here from 10 to 20 plus 10, 20 to 30 plus 10, 30 to 40 plus 10. It has a fixed number. Let us take one more example. Suppose Meena gets a candy box of 50 candies on her birthday. Her father decided to give her 2 candies every day from that box. So what happened? First day, that means day 1, suppose. So Meena has a candy box of 50 candies. So first day, if her father gives her 2 candies, so how many candies will be left there in that box? Yes, of course it is 48. So 48 candies left in that candy box. Second day, again her father gives her 2 candies. So out of 48, 2 candies is given to Meena. So now how many candies left there? 46. Day 3, out of 46, 2 candies if it is given to Meena. Yes, correct, 44 candies left. Fourth day, out of 44, if 2 candies given to her, yes, it is 42. So now this 48, 46, 44, 42. They are in a sequence if you see properly. 48 minus 2 will give you 46. 46 minus 2 will give you 44. 44 minus 2 will give you 42. So they are in a sequence. a fixed term that is minus 2. We got two sequence here. That is the first sequence we got 10, 20, 30, 40, and the second sequence we got 48, 46, 44, 42. So if we look carefully, the sequence of numbers have a fixed pattern. Such list of number is said to form an arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. So here 10 to 20, that is plus 10 here, 20 to 30 plus 10, 30 to 40 plus 10. Similarly, 48 to 46 minus 2, 46 to 44 minus 2, 44 to 42 will be minus 2. So this 10, 10, then you can see it is fixed here, and minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, it is fixed here. So the constant difference, this is the constant difference. The constant difference is called as common difference, represented by D. So in this first sequence, so your D in this case will be plus 10. Similarly, in this sequence, your D, that means small d, will be your minus 2. For example, if I give you, that is 4, 4, 4, 4. So what will be D here? Yes, it will be 0. Why 0? Because 4 minus 4, 0, 0, 0. So difference will be 0. That means common difference D will be 0. So what we can say now? So D can be positive, it can be negative, it can be 0. More example of AP if I consider here 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural numbers. So this 1 will be considering as small a. Last term we don't know, will relate as small l. And what will be D here? Yes, it will be plus 1. So if we denote first term of AP as A, last term as L, and the common difference as D, so then the general form of AP can be written as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and the last term is L. So here I will say a note. So kindly note that if there are only finite number of terms, such AP is called as finite AP. So if there are infinite number of terms, such AP is called as infinite AP. So infinite AP does not have a last term. Next, how to find common difference D of an AP. Let us take a general example. Suppose A1, A2, A3, A4. I have taken a general arithmetic progression which is called as AP. So how to find the common difference? The common difference D will be finding A2 minus A1. The second term minus the previous term. Next, A3 minus A2. Then A4 minus A3. So this is the way how to find out the common difference. So in an AP, difference of any two consecutive term is always constant. Difference between any two consecutive term, these are the consecutive term, is always constant. If it is not, then it is not an AP. So let us recall whatever we have understood today. So we have understood what is really arithmetic progression is. So an arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence is a sequence of number such that the difference between the consecutive term is constant and The constant difference is also called common difference, represented by D. That's all for today.